Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of highlights on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve highlights on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can, here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this lets you enter to the window of Roblox and you can click in this window here. After that, you can click on First Stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you find your update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.